Breaking the Wall of Waste Minimisation. Katy Cottrell, Massey University, New Zealand.
Good afternoon. How many of you have had renovation work done on your homes? How many of you have considered the offcuts that come from those jobs? Believe me, I've seen the waste firsthand, and there is a lot of it. We are running out of room, and at Southern Landfill, in the next 5 years, we'll be at full capacity, as many other landfill sites in the Wellington region will have the same issue. So, I come to the physical wall of waste. The problem: 33,000 tonnes of waste of clearfield timber ends up in landfill annually. This is an awful lot of timber. This is 222 blue whales equivalent in weight. So, basically, in terms of this going into landfill, this fully usable waste, on the other side of it, we have 32 schools in the Wellington region that are spending 7 to 20K on materials. The cumulative, this is 224,000 to 640 on material costs. So these guys are going to become the hammer and chisels at the wall. They're going to help me chip away at the wall. Jump in there. So, economate, a play on economy and also builder's mate. Economate basically diverts local builders' waste to local schools and local community projects. This enables NCA students to use materials for their projects, but also allows treated timbers, such as things like this, to go into initiatives such as Predator-Free New Zealand and also trapping initiatives as well. So it's a win-win situation on both. This also helps give the builder corporate social responsibility, helps prolong the life of the material, but also helps change behaviours within the actual sites as well. So it also instills the values of our next generation by instilling sustainable practice within the next generation. Economate has been working with a construction company for the last year as a pilot. So far to date, we have saved 50 cubic meters to date. Doesn't seem a lot in the big scheme of things, but chipping away at those things was actually going to push and get more materials through. So the builder, on the last disposal, would have cost them $300 to dispose of 2 loads of waste. This is equivalent to 2 decent-sized pieces of ply that would actually cost a lot for us in the school. And that doesn't go very far when you have 10 NCA classes of senior students. So, having this impact model, and it's worked, and having tested this in a holding site as well within the actual builder site, we have noticed the behaviours changing and also noticed that the actual students have taken this on board. So imagine this impact globally, not just locally, but also globally, and the impact of more schools and actual more builders working together to minimise this wall of waste. Thank you very much.